Hi, I'm Tom and I take Maths, Physics and Design Engineering.
Hi, I'm Amara and I take Business, English and Media.
We have tutorials every day and they help with various things from UCAS and references to life skills. It's been great to get to know my tutor over the course of the last 2 years, and they've helped me with a lot of things, particularly with my personal statement, where we've gone back and forth on rewording and making the most out of what experiences I've had to maximise my chance of getting into university.
Tutorials are structured to help us by talking about things that are relevant, that are happening in school, outside of school, and we get lots of help with our uni applications and other things like that.
We get regular progress checks home every half term, and they really help parents get kept informed of progress, as well as other postcards and letters home to let them know how we're doing. I know my parents have been really pleased with how the school's communicated over the last 2 years.
There's a lot of other support available outside of tutorial and teachers, such as Steph, who helps write personal statements, and careers, and the Sixth Form team, who you can talk to about anything at any time.